Hey everybody, this is Alexa back from March 2021. She dyed her hair for 10 years with black box color. And that was the result after like 10 hours of work. Now here she is today. We've been doing some subtle highlights here and there. And I really just wanted to get some of that demi-permanent, so they called it, up at the scalp. I really needed more full coverage when I was shifting her orange bands in March. So here I'm going fishing, guys. Now underneath, it's pretty good. Nobody's really going to see much. Just want to lighten it all up, feathering it up towards the base. Now I'm going to go in and do weaves, and I am going to pick out all this dark stuff, feather it up towards the base to lighten it up. I want more lightness in the area, so I'm going to do a heavier saturation there and then a softer saturation towards the root area. And I'm just going to fold my foils over once. I'm not going to get crazy with the foiling. So here, guys, I'm going fishing. I caught me a big snapper. Oh, yes, I did. And so I'm just going to go in and fish out all those dark spots. And I am going to lighten those with heavy saturation. Again, foiling it up towards the base. I am using my Nomad foil board here, guys, and I absolutely love my foil boards, and they come in all sizes. So I am using Magix 10 with 20 volume and, well, 21 volume and Olaplex. And now I'm going to pivot my sections there from the temple just to leave some dimension in there. And now I am doing her money piece, and I'm going in and weaving out those dark spots again. And I am going to go and color melt this when this is all done. And when I'm done foiling, I'm going to go and pick out any more dark pieces that I see in between the foils and just hit them with a little bit of lightener just to get that little band out. So that was from a Gemmy, quote unquote, permanent line. And if it still has alkalinity, it's still going to be permanent, even though they say you can make it into a demi. It's not true. It's not a demi. It's just not going to lift the base as much if you use a 6 volume, but there's still alkaline in there. Where Magix 10 has Morph, which you put into your color, and then it kills the alkalinity. So there's zero alkalinity, and it makes it a acidic gloss. Here I am fishing again, and these are some of my final foils here. Now, obviously, her face frame is done because, guys, you know I call those the tender vittles, right? So we got to get those out, but those ends are a little mud, so I'm just going to pull a little lightener through. I'm just going to let it air and dry out and do its thing, but I am pulling all the face frame. So now I'm going in with my color melt, and I am using a level 7 at the base and pulling it through to a 10 in a sand color, which is a really beautiful color. And I put a foil on the other side because when I flap it over, I don't want it to get color on the ends, and that would really suck and ruin all my hard work. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply the lighter color to the ends, and I'm going to comb and I'm combing and comb. Now I apply some Olaplex number 2 to the ends because I don't want this to grab as much. I want it brighter around the face. So I bring all the darker color forward to give it more dimension towards the back. I comb, I comb, I comb. And guys, I comb so much because I really want to work that color together. I don't want any lines or splotches, especially if this is more of a creamy than a liquid. So you really got to comb it. And there is the final result. And hot damn, we finally got her blonde. Thanks for watching, guys. And the link is in the bio. Have a great day. Bye. Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.